Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the server allows voice and that your account has chat permissions. Once done, install the recommended voice client, Discord or Mumble, or the approved in-game plugin and sign in. Make sure to select your mic and headset, then run a quick level check so your peaks sit near -6 decibels. This prevents clipping. If you complete these first steps, you'll avoid common setup delays and be ready for the detailed connection process. Next, join the Donut SMP voice channel and pick whether you'll use push-to-talk or voice activity. You should choose push-to-talk for crowded servers. Once you select a mode, map a reachable hotkey and tweak input sensitivity so background noise doesn't trigger transmissions. Enable noise suppression and echo cancellation to keep audio clear, and route audio to your headset rather than speakers. After configuring these settings, test with a friend to confirm levels and latency before jumping into group chat. Finish by verifying server region and adjusting the voice channel bitrate. Lower the bitrate if others report lag. Make sure your firewall or router isn't blocking the client and that NAT settings allow peer connections. If needed, restart the router. If you still can't speak, check your local input device, the client's mute toggle, and the server role permissions. One misconfigured role can silence you. As a quick troubleshoot tip, rejoin the voice channel after toggling mute and push-to-talk to reset the session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.